Hi guys, let's start the video. So the first product which I'm using is not this one. It is the Karma Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I'm gonna spray this on my face. It's gonna make my face fresh, although I have washed my face before the makeup, but the rose water will definitely add good benefits to your face and protecting your face from the chemicals that we're just going to put on our face. Yeah, so using my LAKME primer. This is the very first time that I'm using this and I'm really liking this primer. It's from LAKME Absolute range. It really lasts long and definitely makes your makeup also last longer. You don't have to blend this completely, but just lightly dab on your face and yeah, you're done. Then I'm using my foundation from COLORBAR. It's the Timeless Filling and Lifting Foundation with hyaluronic acid. I'm in the shade Light Linen. This foundation is full coverage and it really makes your face look hydrated and very good. Full coverage, it gives you amazing full coverage, will like cover your dark spots and even if there's some pimple scars. Okay, I'm using this brush which is from Foolsy. I had called this from Myntra. I used the brush on half of my face and now I'm using the fingers on the half. You can also use your beauty blender. It's something that makes you comfortable. I like using my fingers because I feel I have the control to blend each and every bit of the foundation. So I am using my fingers again on the whole face because that's what makes me satisfied that my foundation is done correctly. Now I'm using my concealer which is from Fit Me range from Maybelline and I am in the shade Light. Again, you know the drill how it goes about. Again, blending is the game. You have to blend and that's how you can get the perfect finish of every procedure what is required for a makeup. Again, I'm blending and that's what you have to do. Again, I'm using my fingers because as I said, it completes the whole blending process for me. Yes, now I'm doing the eye makeup. For that I'm using the Essence eyeshadow primer and base. It is needed so that you have a good base to hold on the colors, the eyeshadows which you're going to use. So I am perfectly blending it all over the eyelid. Yes, so let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm using SIVANNA colors. It's the 9 shades SIVANNA kit. I really love SIVANNA products and these eyeshadows are highly pigmented and they are really good. Even the products are long lasting, on the face. So I'm using quite a lot of product in this video. Yes, I took one of these shades and with one of the Foolsy's brush, which is the blending brush. I am blending the color on the crease line. I am not perfect in eyeshadows. This is the first time I'm trying this type of eyeshadow, but actually I was happy. If you feel that when you're applying eyeshadow you feel that it's not suiting you, it's like it's not your thing, but don't worry, you have to wait and keep blending because the end result is definitely going to make you happy. This is what happened with me. I took the second color with a flat brush and I placed and I blended again and I felt good because it really looked good. Then I waited for my second eye and yes, here I am correcting some mistakes because you will definitely make mistakes and you can also correct them. I did my second eye and I was really happy with it. Blending, because blending is the key. Okay, then what I did, I took this Wet n Wild, it's like cream eyeshadow. It's in the shade Rose Gold. I took it on my finger, and I placed it on the eyelid, and I blended it very lightly because the color showed off very prettily, and that's where I felt my eyeshadow was complete. And if you don't have such cream eyeshadows, you can use a golden one, because a golden eyeshadow will give you the same effect as it gave to me. Now I'm using my COLORBAR eyeliner, because eyeliners are a must, at least for me, because it makes your eyes complete. Okay, I was actually trying to focus it. Yes, so I am using eyeliner over here. I don't know why, but my hands were actually shivering, so the line is not that straight, but I was happy. I was really happy with the results. Okay, so we're done, but again there was a mistake, and again you can always correct them. So this is how you're going to learn, like how even I'm learning. So the eyeliner was great. I liked it the way it came. Then I filled my waterline with MAC KOHL pencil. I did not do it very dark, just light, because we have eyeshadow, we have eyeliner, we're gonna have mascara. So I kept it very light, but I really wanted to fill it, because it really makes my eyes incomplete if I don't wear a kajal. Okay, now I'm doing my eyebrows. Again, I'm using SIVANNA product. This is the eyebrow kit from SIVANNA. It has 3 colors. I ordered it from Amazon, and I took a thin brush. You can also use the ones which comes with this kit. I also had, but I misplaced it, and this brush works fine with me. So now eyebrows is very important, like one of the important things in the makeup. It really uplifts your face, makes you look very pretty. Now my eyebrows were actually not in great shape, because I went to a new person for them, and she definitely did not do a good job. But you can, just correct that with the art of makeup. And this is what we are doing here, just filling up the areas where the shape is not correct, and it looks very pretty. Okay, I don't use black, I use brown, because black will make them really dark. Still, I felt this area was overdone, so I took a clean brush with no product, and I just blended this whole thing again, and then I was satisfied that now they are not like overdone, they were just as I wanted them to be. Okay, now the mascara. You can also use extensions, false eyelashes, but I wanted to keep it simple, and I went only with the mascara, and was really happy with it. Okay, done with the eye makeup. Now coming to the blush, it's again from SIVANNA. It's one of my favorite brands. It's a lovely peachish pinkish color. It has like really good color, good pigmentation, and yes, look at this beautiful blush. Done with blush. Another important part is the highlighter, and I'm using MAC highlighter. This is one of my favorite eye highlighters. I just love it. Now again I took that thin brush and I cleaned that before I used, because I'm gonna use this for the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, because that makes your eyes like nice and wide open, not open, actually big. So it gives a very, very good look in the eyes. So it's really important if you use that. Now one last part of the face with the highlighter is the high high areas of your face. Now this is the eyebrows, but the inside, because it looks really, really good over there. Yes, like that. So now the end is a lipstick. It's from Burberry and I am in the shade Hibiscus number 20. I love this lipstick, but it does smudge a lot. So that's something very bad about a Burberry lipstick. But yes, it smudges a lot. So I had to fix that off the camera. But then yes, the results were just fine. And I also added sindoor, and also I added bindi, because that will make a really traditional look. Yes, and here I complete my look. Just completed my hair, accessories, and this was my look for the Karwachauth. So I hope this video was really helpful to you, and makeup is really easy. Just try, don't give up on eyeshadows, and just keep blending. And happy Karwachauth to you all. You be happy and you be stylish. Bye.